Hello and welcome to my channel, Lookem. I am Frank. Spyderco is an American cutlery company founded in 1978. Byrd is the budget-friendly line of knives and tools. Spyderco knives are made in the USA or Taiwan, while Byrd knives and tools are made in China. Everything began with the Spyderwrench. It was a very close design to the Byrdrench and was made in the US. Later, Spyderco decided to produce the Spyderwrench in Taiwan to cost cutting. But it was not as effective as wanted, and the Spyderwrench was dropped. Spyderco decided to bring back a simplified design of this tool that would be produced in China. The Byrdrench was born. The Byrdrench is the BY15P Byrdrench made by Byrd. In 2009, I found one new in box for €40 including shipping. Hopefully, I'm not trying to buy one today, because prices have raised to an impressive at least €200. This tool is ingenious and weird at the same time. The Byrdrench comes boxed with a nylon chase and documentation. The documentation is pretty well made and shows how to use the tool and all the capabilities of the Byrdrench. The Byrdrench is 7 inches when closed and weighs 8 ounces. The blade is 2.5 inches long and 0.078 in thickness. The blade has the typical Spyderco Byrd shape with an opening thumb hole. That thumb hole is drop comet shaped, while Spyderco has a circular thumb hole. It's a locking blade with an interesting spring mechanism. The Spyderwrench has a wide-ended pocket clip if you don't want to use the chase. The slip joint pliers has 2 settings that offers up to an 9/16 of an inch span opening. It is equipped with a punch file, flat on one side and round on the other. You got to take it off to access the bit slots. 4 1/4-inch X bits are provided with the Byrdrench: medium flat, medium Phillips and big Phillips. As it uses 1/4-inch bits, you can replace it with the ones you need. The length of the tool, as a screwdriver, can be extended, putting the slip joint in a flat position. The tool can be separated in 2 halves that make it easier and more practical to use. The adjustable wrench is on one part of the tool and the screwdriver on the other half. This is great if you have to work on screw and nut to screw or unscrew a bolt. The pointed end of the file, when placed in its spring-maintained slot, will be slightly protruded and will create a detent that locks the 2 tools halves together. The concept of this tool is excellent and the design is beautiful, but there are many flaws. The slip joint pliers has a slippy pivot, so it slips out or it doesn't lock well. Using the screwdriver is a pain. Unlock the tool, take off the file, try to extract the bit you want, put the bit in place, put the file back. If you don't make so, the bits will fall out. And now you can do the job. Then follow the same path in reverse to put away your tool. When you need to put it away, you need to ensure that the adjustable wrench is fully closed and that the file is in its place. There are no wire cutter, no wire stripper, no scissors. This design is unique and I really love it, but it comes with so many flaws and lags. Do I love this design? Absolutely. Do I use this tool? Never. Does it make it collectible? Yes. So, it's now time to put it away in its box. I will never replace my Victorinox Swiss Tool Spirit or my Leatherman Wave with this tool. What do you think of the Byrdrench? Do you own one? Do you use it? What's your favorite tool? If you liked that video, please leave a thumb up, comment down below and let me know what you think of this tool. If you want to see more multi-tools reviews, please subscribe and hit the bell button. If you know somebody who can be interested, share a link. I am still Frank and you are still watching Lux Lucem. Thank you for watching. Bye.